How to become financially free as a homestaying mom? I have an answer for that. Hi, my name is ZAKKERY. 8 years ago, I started as a homestaying mom. Year after year, I've built my marketing company. It took me 8 years, but now I know how you can shortcut. Watch this video till the end if you would like to know how to get from homestaying mom to the point when you own your own digital marketing agency. I know that now it might sound scary. How can I get to that point? The only thing you need to know is just the exact steps that you need to go. Step number 1, you need to clarify if a digital marketing niche is a really good fit for you. Digital marketing has been growing really fast and is not going to stop for a couple more years. It's really hard to focus for more than 5 years in our fast-living world, but still, why I personally have chosen digital marketing? Because this is from the ability to generate money from zero. I think this skill is really helpful for anyone in this world. When you know how to make from a zero investments a lot of money. So step number 1, do you really like the idea of become a professional at digital marketing? In a simple word, what is a digital marketing? Digital marketing has many niches. For example, it might be social media management. It's when you help influencer or any other company who would like to be socially present in social media, you help them to develop their profiles. You do the posts, you create a content, you post the reels, and all that stuff. The other niche in digital marketing is paid ads. It's a Google ads or Facebook ads. I'm sure the last time you scrolled the Instagram feed, you've definitely run into the paid ad. This is what a digital marketer does. He helps the owner of the company to set up a Facebook ads or any other type of ads to attract as many customers as possible. Step number 2, you need to find out if you have a proper skills to become a digital marketer. Once you've chosen the niche in which you would like to develop yourself, the next step is understand whether you have the ability of being attentive, detail-oriented, whether you like to deal with analytics and a lot of data, or you better prefer to work with a creativity. And in this way, you probably better choose the social media management. If you are really good at numbers, analytics, you better work with a computer, then it will be really easy for you to develop yourself as an ads specialist. Step number 3, start learning the basics of a digital marketing. You can start doing it right now, today. Once you finish watching this video, you can browse the topics like the basics of digital marketing, how to become a digital marketer, what does digital marketer do, anything that is related to this topic. The first thing you need to do is to get as much information on this topic as possible. Step number 4, you will need to get a proper education. You might find a lot of free resources on the topic of digital marketing. You will find a lot of free masterclasses, free ebooks, and free guides. You can go to Udemy and Coursera and get some free stuff. But remember that this is only for the basics. I've been in this niche for more than 8 years, and I know the stuff. Believe me, at the free education, at the free resources, you will never be able to get the same knowledge as when you've paid for the course. I've been there, I've tried different options, and if you want to save your time and money, you better go to a really proper education. So what are the key factors for me of a proper education? This is definitely the feedback, the live feedback, which you get on the course. For example, if the course doesn't have home assignments, it's a bad one. You need to practice while you learn. If the course doesn't have a live components like tutors, live webinars where you can get the answers to your questions, where you can get the support from a real human who will guide you to the point A when you're just a student to the point B when you're ready to get the first client, these are the key criteria of a proper education for me. Let me know in comments what type of education is really good for you. It's a free education, or you've better chose a paid one according to your experience. The next step is to create your portfolio. The portfolio with the good cases which can prove your skills. In my life, I've hired more than 20 digital marketers. I myself is a digital marketer, and I know that the only thing that really matters is how you can prove that you are really skillful in this niche. My recommendation, start collecting your portfolio while you are learning. This is really crucial thing because this will save you money and time. I'm pretty sure that in your contacts, in your phone, you will find a couple people who will gladly agree to help you build that portfolio. For example, your friend entrepreneur needs help with the Facebook ads. You can help him for free, and that will help you to build your portfolio. Or if you go to the beauty salons, you have your nails done from time to time, so you can offer them the help. Just tell them that you are at the moment of learning new skills and you are eager to help them with their social media. These are the good tools how you can quickly build your portfolio. And the last step, but not least, you need to find out how to present yourself at the interview. In my life, I have interviewed a lot of digital marketers. And yes, portfolio is really important, as I have already mentioned. But the most important thing at the interview is how you behave yourself, how you respond to the questions, if you are able to show the way your brain thinks, even if you do not know the answer for the question. But you can prove that in this case you can Google it, you can consult with somebody, you will be able to find the information and you are eager to learn and you are ready to get the new skills and you are absolutely okay with failures and mistakes and you are eager to improve yourself. This is what interviewer would like to hear from you. The diplomas, cases, that matters, but not as much as your soft skills. So if to conclude, at this point, even if you're kind of afraid of starting this way, it's not going to be an easy one. But if you feel inside you that you are ready for something bigger in your life, if you feel that this is the moment when you are ready to become a financially free, financially independent for you and your kids, digital marketing might be a very good option for you. There will be always money, this niche will be always on the rise, and that definitely might make you happy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and comment yes if you are ready to start this journey.